Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see about ScrollAirdrop. Okay, so in ScrollAirdrop they are actually giving away scroll origins NFT. Okay, so in order to get this we must eligible our wallet, and if your wallet is not eligible, so you won't probably get the airdrop from the scroll. So in order to check your wallet eligibility, first thing you need to come inside their wallet, just connect your MetaMask account. Once you connect your MetaMask account, just scroll down and check the wallet eligibility. Okay, so just click on the wallet eligibility. Here you can see the selected account is not eligible yet to mint. Deploy a project to be qualified. Okay, so we're going to deploy a project, then we will get qualified for this NFT, and we have 39 days more also. Okay, so in this video we're going to see how to claim this NFT and what are the things you need to do in the mainnet in order to get eligible for the ScrollAirdrop. Okay, so before we start our video, if this is the first time visiting to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel guys, and hit the like button and continue watching it by clicking the like button. It means a lot to me. So considering my effort, you could give me one like. Okay, so it gives me a lot of motivation. And this is my Telegram channel guys. Here only I'll be updating all sorts of time sensitive information, airdrop details, airdrop link and everything. And for this airdrop also you can see these are the links. Okay, so we need 4 links, and we even need this scroll text also, I mean code also. So in order to get all these things, you gotta go inside my Telegram channel. There you can find all of these things. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first of all, first thing we need to add the scroll in our MetaMask. Okay, so just click on this chain list. Once you click on that, this page will open. Okay, so just click on the connect wallet and connect your MetaMask wallet. So once your MetaMask wallet got connected, we need to type scroll. Okay, and you'll be able to see the mainnet. Okay, and just click on the add to MetaMask and then approve it and switch the network. Okay, and we have now successfully added the scroll network. Okay, so now if you head back to the scroll website now, so here you can see the bridge. Okay, we need to bridge some Ethereum from Ethereum chain to scroll chain. Okay, so it's nothing but Ethereum only we are sending using the scroll network. Okay, so we need to have some Ethereum in our wallet. Okay, in order to do all the tasks, so keep minimum $10 worth of Ethereum. Okay, so first thing we need to change the network. So once you change the network, just click on the maximum and click on the deposit fund, and let's see how much the gas fee is showing. So here you can see the gas fee is showing around $2.34. Okay, so I'm gonna skip this one, and instead of using this one I'm gonna use Alto Finance. Okay, so here I guess gas fee will be very less, so I'll be leaving this link also inside my Telegram channel. Here you can see, if you click on this one, it will take you to this website. So first thing you need to connect your wallet. So once you connect your wallet, we need to choose Ethereum, and then here you need to choose a scroll. Okay, so now we're going to transfer from Ethereum network to scroll network. Okay, so I'm gonna click maximum balance, and I'm gonna do it around I'm gonna transfer around 0.008 Ethereum from Ethereum network to scroll network. Okay, so I'm gonna click send, and I'm gonna confirm and send. Okay, so here you can see the gas fee. Okay, so the gas fee is just 0.59 cent only, so it's very low comparatively there. So I'm gonna click confirm, and now you can see it will take hardly 1 to 2 minutes, and then you will be able to receive your balance. Okay, so use this platform guys to do the bridging. Okay, in order to cut out the gas fee. And guys, while using this platform, there is a reward is also there. Okay, so every time there is some kind of lottery is there. Okay, so in case, so the more number of time you use this platform, you will get the chance to win up to 100 USDC. Okay, so don't be disappointed. The more you bridge, the greater possibility you can earn the reward. Okay, so just cancel this, and we have successfully bridged from Ethereum to scroll. Okay, so in order to check the balance, just click on your MetaMask, and then we gotta change the network into scroll. Okay, so just click on the scroll, and here you can see my bridged money came to scroll network. Okay, so once you transfer this, the next step is we need to deploy a contract here. Okay, so just come inside this remix. Okay, you will be able to get the link inside my Telegram channel. So this is the link. Just click on this link, and then it will take you here. Okay, so once you come here, we need to deploy a contract now. So on here you can see create a new file is there. Okay, so just click on that and then type some name. Okay, so after you give your name, and here we have to provide the code. Okay, so don't worry guys, inside my Telegram channel you'll be able to get this text. Okay, so just open this and then just drag and copy all of these things. Okay, do not leave anything. So you need to copy all of these things. Okay, so once you copy it, come back here and paste it here. Okay, so just click on paste and click on allow, and click on OK. So once you copied here, we successfully copied, and in the below you can see compiler is there. Okay, so just click on the compiler, and you need to choose this 0.8.18. okay, and if you choose this, it will automatically keep that only. So in case if it's there, just leave it, and after you come here, just click on this compile cm sol. Okay, once you do that, you can see the tick mark here. Okay, so after you get the tick mark, just click on this one, and on top you can see remix is there. Okay, so just click on this one and click on injected provided MetaMask. Okay, you gotta select this one, and then you need to connect your MetaMask wallet here. Just click connect, and your MetaMask wallet will get connected. And now the final step is we need to deploy the contract now. Okay, so just click on the deploy. So once you click on the deploy, we gotta do this transaction. Okay, and we are spending the gas fee hardly 0.26 Ethereum only. Okay, so just click confirm. And once you click confirm, here you can see guys, we have successfully deployed it. Okay, so once you deployed it, now we need to verify the contract. Okay, for this you need to open the Telegram channel again, and in the last step you can see scroll scan. Okay, so we need to open this link. Okay, so once you open this link, this page will come. So here only we need to verify our contract. Okay, so first thing, please enter the contract address you would like to verify. So we need to copy the contract address, so you'll be able to find your contract address here. Okay, so just click on the copy and come back here and paste it here. Okay, so the first step done, and the next thing is we need to select Solidity single file. So the compiler version which we choose there is 0.8.18. okay, so the same thing, if you have doubt, go there and check it again. Okay, so here you can see the same thing only. So once you chose that one, just select the last one. Okay, so choose the MIT license. Okay, and once you choose the MIT license, that's it. Okay, so just click on continue. And once you click on the continue, here you can see the enter the Solidity contract code below. So here we need to enter the code. Just open this page again and copy all of these things. Okay, so I'm gonna click Control A, so and then Control C, so that it will copy all the coding, and come back here and paste the codes here. And once you paste the code, just scroll down and click on this I'm not a robot, and select and complete this captcha and click on verify. And once you click on verify, and here you can see guys, verify and publish, we have done all these things. Okay, so just click on verify and publish. So now you can see guys, we have successfully completed the verification. So once you do this, just head back to this scroll origin NFT. Okay, so come to this page. So once you come here, if you scroll down, you can see previously it's shown selected account is not eligible to mint. It's showing like that. Just do the refresh. Okay, so once you do the refresh and again scroll down and click on the check eligibility. Okay, and now you can see you are eligible to mint the NFT, and come back on December 15th to claim it. Okay, on the December 15th we can come here and claim this. Okay, and guys, if you don't want to miss the announcement, make sure to follow me in my Telegram channel guys. I'll be announcing it inside my Telegram channel if you want to get that announcement. So make sure to follow me in my Telegram channel guys. On December 15th we'll be able to claim this. Okay, so guys, you all know what happened with the Aptos. People got NFT from Aptos and they got huge amount of reward also for just holding the NFT, and this is Scroll Origins NFT. Okay, so this NFT might do a main role in claiming the airdrop. Okay, Scroll Airdrop. So make sure to do all these things. We have now participated in the mainnet task also, so it will put you in a situation where you are eligible for the airdrop. Okay, so that's it guys. In this video pretty much I covered what I have to cover. I hope you have liked this video. Make sure to hit the like button, and thank you guys, thank you for watching this video until the very end. So whatever update comes regarding this particular scroll, I'll announce it inside my Telegram channel for sure. Okay, and thank you guys, thank you for watching this video.